Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the web series. If you're tuning in for my class this morning, the class this morning with regards to paranormal investigation is going to be over energy recognitions. Be patient there. I hold in my hand a series of very plain, CD-long recordable discs. These CD-long recordable discs hold information, and they hold information in a way that is recognizable to a computer. Now, if you look at the same thing, the environment itself also holds information, which is recorded on the environment around you. And that information is retrievable to those who know how to look for it. We're going to start with a very simple exercise. Very astute. Into your meditative state. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and focus. Allow your mind to drift. Allow you to vacate your own body. Drift out into the room around you. Now, the rest of the environment, your house, your neighborhood, the entire world. Focus your mind on what you're looking for. If there's something specific that you wish to find, focus on that particular item, that particular product. Breathe and focus. Allow your mind to track its energy patterns. Search. If you feel artistic at this point, you can draw what you have seen. If you're doing this in a crowd, you can describe what you're envisioning. There are also some basic techniques that you can use in practicing. With a friend or a colleague, have this individual place some kind of something in an undisclosed location, known only to them. It's your task to find the object that they have hidden. Practice this technique as well as many others. Once you feel confident with your energy recognition, we'll move on to the next part of this web lesson. At this point, you can feel free to pause the lesson and practice as you see fit. Okay, welcome back. If you have continued to this point and you feel confident in recognizing energy patterns and finding locations of misplaced items, at this point we're going to continue on with our lesson, energy production. It's a known fact, a known law of physics, that energy is never truly created, nor is it destroyed. It simply exists in one form or another. So, with that being said, if energy can be formed into new things, then you simply need to put your mind to it, and you can form energy as you see fit. We're going to practice this at this particular moment with a couple of exercises dedicated to loosening the mind and producing energy patterns recognizable to others. First and foremost, we're going to use heat production. Your body produces heat naturally. You can control the temperature of that body heat rising or lowering it as you see fit. With that being said, we're going to start by raising your body temperature a few degrees. Begin by placing your hands together. Rub them together a little bit to get the energy and the juices flowing, so to speak. Now focus. Draw your hands apart slightly. Focus on the void between your hands. Envision it filling with flame. The temperature rising hotter and hotter and hotter. If you've done this exercise correctly, you should feel the heat temperature between your hands begin to rise. For those of you who have thermal imaging technology, it would be unsurprising to you to realize and envision and see that your hands are in fact rising in temperature, getting warmer. That being said, the opposite is also true. Not only can you rise the body temperature, but you can lower it. Once you've mastered the art of controlling your body's temperature, you can explore other aspects of controlling bodily functions. Respiration, heart rate, accelerating and decreasing said functions. Though I would do this under close supervision of a friend, and most definitely under the supervision of someone who may be certified in cardiopulmonary resuscitation, because it is not unheard of for those who are experimenting with controlling their own bodily functions, such as their heart rate, to slow their heart to a point at which it cannot be raised again without external intervention. With that being said, I advise you, no matter what you do, to proceed slowly and at your own pace with this. Do not try to rush yourself. If you feel uncomfortable with anything that you are experiencing, do not continue. You do take your life into your hands at this point, and what happens is of your own doing. I do not advise exceeding your own limitations, nor do I advise that you do anything that is uncomfortable. With that being said, for those of you who wish to learn something slightly more advanced, I advise you to continue watching the video. One of the most advanced techniques that I can teach you over the internet without actually teaching you in person is a healing technique, a very basic healing technique, involving an energy transference at the affected area of the body. Place your hands over that area in a fashion such as this. There is an opening, as you can see. Inside that opening, focus your mind. Focus the energy. Focus that energy into a ball into your hands. Radiating energy. Focusing. And that ball acts as a lens. A point at which the other energies can be directed. Direct your energies at the affected area. And allow the body to absorb that energy. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times as needed. This should improve the body's natural ability to heal itself and improve it at least 10% if done properly. Once again, be advised this is highly dangerous and very risky. The wrong kind of energies can cause more harm than it can do in good. Be safe when using the techniques I teach you. And most of all, be alert. In the description part of this video, you will find some contact information and email address. If there's anything else you wish to know, feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you.